Hey guys, Cole here with MarineMax Naples. Today we're on the 40 Aviara, powered by triple 400 L6 Verados. In my opinion, one of the best day boats out right now due to its unique side doors that fold down, giving you even more room to this already wide 12'3" beam. Obviously at the back of the boat here, we got 3 lounger styles facing back, as well as forward seating here with 3 stadium style seats that pop up to give you a little bit more room. Behind me, you'll notice a gigantic summer kitchen with a grill, sink, splash well, 2 fridges, and a trash can to keep the deck clutter-free. Moving forward, we'll see more seating on the port side, as well as an optional table to have lunch, dinner, whatever kind of cruise you're looking to do. Moving forward to the helm area, you'll see an extra wide seat, room for 4 people up here. Everything's powered through the screens on this 40 Aviara. This is your main Aviara screen, which gives you your lighting, music, controls, all your settings here. In the center here, we have our huge Simrad screen, which gives you all your nav screen, your waypoint routing, your fish finder, everything you need to be successful and safe on the water. Just to the right of our Simrad, we have a Mercury vessel view here, which gives you all your diagnostics and what you need to know on those triple 400 L6s. Over on the side console here, we got our Mercury throttles with active trim, as well as our key feature here, the Mercury joystick piloting system, which makes docking this 40-foot boat a breeze. Moving forward up to the front of the boat, you'll notice a large door here with a cabin. Down below, we'll get into it in a little bit, but there's 2 berths, a full-size head, and a shower, as well as a separate AC system with a TV for entertainment or overnight needs. All right, guys, now we'll enter the cabin. As we step down, you'll notice we go down 3 steps, and just to our port side is our AC switching. As we come forward, you'll notice our large TV connected to the soundbar, as well as a fridge and tucked away microwave. The V-berth is set up for a bed right now, but part of it does pop up to make a backrest. There is a table that pops in here to make it a little entertaining area. We do have additional seating on the starboard side of the boat, as well as our lighting panel, as well as our AC panel as well. As we move towards the back, you'll notice our full-size head and shower, as well as a secondary berth just under the stairs here. And we'll head back up to the bow. Moving up towards the bow of the boat, you'll notice a nice clean walkway with no steps, no ramp. We do have the ability to close the windshield in windier conditions to keep everyone isolated in the back there. As we move up to the bow, you'll notice nice deep seating so everyone can be comfortable. You won't have to worry about anyone falling over, and it gives you a wide range of backrest so everyone's nice and comfortable. Obviously up front here, we have our windlass anchor locker here. Nice and clean with a windlass remote, as well as a sprayer for when you're bringing up the chain out of the saltwater. Overall, this is one of the best day boats out right now. Again, come check us out for a deal. We're hosting deals all month on this boat. Again, this is the 2023 40 Aviara. My name's Cole. Come check us out at MarineMax Naples.